Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the Chief Crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. This is going to be a quick DIY. So what I have done is printed off the lyrics to the old rugged cross. I stained them using some coffee, which you can use tea to get the same effect. I then let it dry, and now I'm pressing it out using dry heat in my iron. And then in the next clip, you will see that I am removing the jute hanger from this Dollar Tree sign. This is an Easter sign. And initially I was going just to sand off the glitter, but I decided to rip the pages. You see I had this rest of this Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the color white, but it got a little scummy, so I decided to just toss that and just apply some regular acrylic paint by Decor to the piece. And then I'm applying heavy distressing initially, and then I changed it, but I did use the burnt umber paint by Apple Barrel. You see me tearing the pages to the lyrics to the old rugged cross. This will be actually a featured piece on this sign, and you will see me just go back and forth. I wasn't satisfied with that look. It's not exactly what I was going for, so I did reapply some of that Decor Art paint in the color white. And then you'll see me apply some more burnt umber paint. And until I got the look of the board that I was going for, you will see me just doing just being extra. Anyway, guys, I want to welcome everybody back to my channel. All of my new subscribers, hello, welcome. Returning subscribers, you already know what's up. And if you have yet to subscribe to the channel, please click on the subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload to the channel. So now you see me just applying a brief coating of the white paint that was left on the sponge to the cross. And now I have my glue stick. It is the Elmer's glue stick, and I am just going around the edges of the paper and just pressing down. And as you can see, this has become the centerpiece. And I'm just going around doing a little distressing to the wording of this song, the old rugged cross, going around the edges of the cross, just doing some more distressing, trying to decide the placement. I was going a different direction, and then I forgot what I was doing, and I just ended up gluing it down straight. And I was like, oh well, I'm done. So then you see me just applying some more of that burnt umber paint to the top of this board. Again, what I was going to do, I was tired. I don't know if you guys can hear it in my voice, but I am just exhausted, and my allergies have kicked in, and I'm just like, whew. I worked 10 hours straight today with only one break, and that was breakfast. So your girl is tired, but I wanted to put up a video to the channel, and I hope you guys like this. I think it turned out really cute. It was something I had in my head, and I just had to get it out. So then I just decided to do like a hanging swag to this cross, and I just took these picks that I think I got from either Dollar Tree or Walmart, and I just hung it upside down. And guys, this is it. I think this turned out very cute, very rustic for sure. And guys, I want to bring your attention to the book, My Sister's Keeper. This is one of the books that I published with my publishing company, the DJP Group, LLC. And the name of this book is The Joy of the Journey by author Olivia Simmons. She lost her sister, that you can see in this on the front cover of the book. Ironically, they called her Joy too, and her name is exactly like mine, her first name, and we both are called Joy. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. Until the next DIY, bye.